yesterday I did a video on the Navy Federal Pledge Loan, and I was saying consider this if you are wanting to apply for the Navy Federal Pledge Loan. And that's more so really taking a look at your credit report, pulling your credit profile to see what's on there. What is your standings of your credit profile before you just apply for the pledge loan? So say like for myself, since my credit profile is pretty big, like I have over 10 years of length of credit, I have installment loans, I have revolving credit with my credit cards because I have 9 credit cards. My credit utilization is low. Those are the things that you want to consider when you're looking at your credit profile. But I got a really good question asking me, how long is it going to take for the credit score to increase getting a pledge loan? So I was just like, okay, I think that's good. So let me know in the comments, how long, if you got the Navy Federal Pledge Loan, how long did it take for you to see an increase in your credit score? So in this video, we're really just going to be talking about our credit score. So let's get into it. Hey everybody, I'm Tasha from the Major Change Group, where we believe small changes can create big results. And if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. We talk about how to get your money straight, how to increase your credit score, and how to use your credit card like a debit card. Over the past couple of months, I have been working to increase my credit score because y'all, I had paid off my auto loan in December, but then I had applied for 2 credit cards in the month of December. And by the time January came, my credit score had dropped to a 700. But now my credit score is back up to a 716. So we really want to talk about how long does it take for our credit score to increase, even with getting the Navy Federal Pledge Loan. So in this video, we're going to talk about a couple of different aspects. So first, our credit score is made up of 5 components. So we have our payment history, our credit utilization, our length of credit, our new credit, and our credit mix. Now, say like for myself, like I was saying earlier, my credit profile, I would say is pretty big because I have a lot of different things on my profile. And you can see that when my credit score had dropped in January, I've been able to increase my credit score up to a 716 within the past couple of months. Our creditors report to the credit bureau monthly. Now, we have 3 credit scores. We have TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. But y'all, Equifax, I don't even know. Sometimes I would say Equifax, the credit score is higher, but every creditor doesn't report to all of the credit bureaus. And so that's why sometimes our credit scores can be different, because with my Equifax being higher, my TransUnion is usually the lowest, or maybe it's my Experian. My Experian is usually like my lowest credit score. So I would say my Equifax is the highest, my TransUnion, and then my Experian is usually probably the lowest. So that's what you want to consider when you are looking at your credit score. And that's why it's really good to pull all of your credit reports and your credit scores to see what's reporting on your different reports. Looking at the Navy Federal Pledge Loan, it's really going to help with the payment history. But I would say payment history kind of takes a little bit of time because you really want it to report for several months. But then also it can help with your length of credit. So how long are you going to have the pledge loan for? Are you going to have it for 6 months? Are you going to have it for a year? But if you're somebody that has no credit, even if it's for 6 months or a year, that's really going to help to start reporting some credit history. Now for myself, since I do have over 10 years of credit history, I was really saying that I don't think that the Navy Federal Pledge Loan was really going to benefit me, because if I only got the pledge loan for 6 months to a year, then I'm just going to fall into the same position after I paid the pledge loan off. But since I have other installment loans on my profile, that's why I didn't think that was really going to help me. But I do think that it will help somebody that has a lower credit score or no credit score. And also somebody brought up a good point, and I think I had said it in the last video, but I might have took it out because I was saying with the Navy Federal Pledge Loan, it's really a secured loan. So I would have to fund the loan. But let's say somebody that has no credit or low credit or bad credit, it might be hard for them to get credit cards or loans. And so that's really where the pledge loan really helps to build that credit. And so that's kind of really what I was saying. But as it relates to improving your credit score, we have to remember that our credit score is going to take time. It's not something that is going to just improve overnight. It only depends on what part of your credit score do you need to improve. But let's say somebody that has credit cards, like myself, I have 9 credit cards. Let's say you are maxing out your credit cards, or you are reporting over 30%. If you decrease that credit utilization, then you would really be able to see a higher increase in your credit score. One, because our credit utilization is 30% of our credit score. So by us not abusing our credit by, maxing it out every month, we would be able to see a better, it will report better on our credit reports. So that's why I think if you have bad credit and you have a lot of maxed out credit cards, if you pay those down, then I think you would be able to see a quicker increase in your credit compared to somebody else. So those are my thoughts in that. You can see increases in your credit score monthly, but it's going to take time with increasing our credit score. It's not something that can just, you go from a 300 to a 800 in a month. I don't think that is possible, but it really depends on what aspects of your credit score you are increasing. But let me know in the comments, what do you think about that? I hope that you found this helpful. Please like, subscribe, share with a friend, turn your notification bells on so that you will be notified when new content drops. I thank you so much for watching. Until next time.
It's not a game, it's a